Hello foodie friends, we're back again with another mystery clipping from Grandma's collection. This one seems actually really straightforward and kind of cool because you can use it as a snack or as a topping for desserts. So I've already got everything all measured out that we're gonna need. We only need one skillet and an oven and we're done. So let's just go ahead and get started. Pause here to write down what you'll need to follow along. First, you're going to add your walnuts to a heated pan, and then go ahead and put in your water, your sugar, and I also went ahead and added my cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove. I just put all three in one bowl just to save on dishes. You'll want to give that a good stir to mix, and then allow it to heat up. Allow that to simmer until you start to see the sugar getting reduced into a nice sugar syrup. You can see here that most of the water has evaporated out of the pan, and you're left with walnuts that are coated in sugar and spices. You can transfer it to a bowl like we did, or go ahead and line them up on some parchment paper on a baking sheet if you want to prevent clumps. And now for the best part, what to do with them. We decided to get our favorite ice cream and use them as a topping to really amp up the flavor. But these walnuts also make a perfect snack to just eat by themselves. Okay, so we got it done. It smells wonderful, kind of like a pumpkin pie.
Oh yeah.
Really. But we put it on ice cream just to kind of show you what you could do with it. We also thought, you could put it on top of cakes, cupcakes, that kind of thing. But I want to try one by itself.
Okay.
Because they look really... Okay, you want one?
Yeah. It's like 4.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
That is really good.
Yeah.
That's
like,
awesome.
If you want to take a walnut and make it bad for you, this is the best way
I
to do
know. It's like taking something that's really good and like coating it in sugar and shit. But this really reminds me of those kind, like, the nuts you get in a paper cone from like street fairs and festivals and stuff like that. That's what this reminds me of. And
definitely.
And I'm sure that that's what this recipe, whoever wrote this recipe, was trying to replicate. And I think they did a really good job, actually. Yeah. I think they replicated it really well.
It is really good.
Mm-hmm. It's awesome.
I want to try it on my ice cream. If I can get it. But if you want to dress anything up,
yes,
like any dessert, I think you could dress up this way.
That just made this French vanilla ice cream like elevated 100 times.
That's amazing.
It's awesome. Oh my God. Okay, so
the possibilities are endless.
It really is. And I mean, even if you just want to eat them by themselves, like that's not a bad thing to do.
But you could add it to anything that calls for walnuts or anything, any dessert period, I think would be excellent.
Like zucchini nut bread, that calls for chopped walnuts. Why don't you do this first before you add the walnuts in there, in the batter, before you cook it.
Cinnamon rolls?
Okay. No. Now this has become our favorite nut recipe. Coated in sugar, and we'll find a way to put it in everything.
Yeah.
So I would say kudos to, I'll just give her first name, Tina, who years and years ago gave Mamaw a really good coated walnut recipe. And that's funny because I don't remember my grandmother ever making these. I really don't. I think she just collected recipes and then we just never saw them again.
Yeah, she spent a lot of time just reading books about recipes.
Oh, yeah.
When it comes to actually like cooking stuff, you usually fall into like normal routine habits eventually.
Yeah, and we would get crazy once in a while, with some stuff, but we never went through all of her recipes.
I mean, I don't know.
I mean, there's just no way.
Not enough time.
Yeah, they got lost in the shuffle, basically. But speaking of lost in the shuffle, and we're going to have to hurry up because our ice cream's melting. So we have another mystery bag that we're getting. Okay, you pick it out, and then
This one feels.
Okay, does it have
heavy.
anything written on it?
Nope.
No, okay, so it's just...
We have no idea.
we don't know what
Not
she
that
did.
we had any idea before this, really.
I know.
I don't know that the labels mattered that much.
Oh, okay. Dill dip.
Sure, why not?
This must have been another this and that, maybe. I don't know, and she just didn't put the this and that on it.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay, so dill dip. It looks good. You know, it's got a lot of really good ingredients in it. I like dill and I like dip.
Yeah.
So let's put it together and see what happens.
Kind of a universal thing you can use on all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of cool. Okay, so, and this seems kind of older too. Just because it's typed.
On an actual typewriter.
Yeah, this isn't a computer. This is a word processor, actually.
Oh, word processor.
Yeah, she had a word processor that she liked to try to organize all of her recipes with. So this was probably an attempt at organization, but you can see where it ended up. So yeah, not the best. I don't know.
We'll try it and see.
But anyway, yeah, we'll try this next week, and I think, I'm kind of excited for this because I like crackers and I like dip, so
sounds good.
We'll go for it.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go and eat this quickly melting dessert. Really, really hope you try these because these are awesome.
Very good.
I mean, and if any of you put it in like your cinnamon rolls or zucchini nut bread or anything like that, right below in the comment section to tell us how it turned out, because I'd say that would be awesome.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching this week. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next week. Bye. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for future videos. In the meantime, here are 2 videos you may enjoy. Thanks for watching.